Welcome to the Department of Computer Science. Here, we don't just teach technology, we build the future. Our mission is simple: to connect classroom learning with real-world industry skills, preparing our students to lead the digital world.
If you love technology, this is lab where everything begins. We don't just learn programming from books, but we practice it every single day. Whether we are writing our first line of C++, building software in Java, or creating smart applications using Python, we get to do it all right here.
Learning here is highly interactive. Our classrooms are equipped with smart boards that turn complex programming logic and diagram into clear visual lessons. It makes tough concepts much easier to understand.
And when we need to study or work on project, our library is the perfect place. It's fully stocked with latest textbooks, coding guides and journals to help us stay ahead.
But college life here is about so much more than just coding. We regularly host workshops, seminars, and live webinars with industry experts. And when it's time to take a break, the energy is amazing. Our annual IT Fiesta brings out the best talents, while our sports meets, indoor games, and cultural festivals make sure that there is never a dull moment.
From mastering your very first programming language in our practical labs to discover your true professional potential, we nurture innovation, curiosity, and leadership. Step in to learn, step out to excel. Join us and shape the future of technology.